Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be doing another Shein haul. This I think is my fifth one, but this is also my favorite one. I found so many Christmas stuff, and last year when I was looking for Christmas stuff I couldn't find anything good, but this year they stepped it up and I found so many good things. To get started, I got myself one of those pillows, and that was because when I was doing my Halloween sets my hands would get really tired, so I figured when I do longer sets I could just rest my hand on that pillow. Next I got this brush cleaner container, which is a lifesaver because trying to clean my brushes all at once sometimes is a nightmare. So with this little thing I can wash several of them at once, and I tried it with that thicker brush. A lot of brands have that same design. I thought it wouldn't fit, but luckily it did. I got some of these lint-free wipes and I don't think I like these very much. The more you wipe away at the nail, the more it kind of just starts tearing apart, and then there's just more lint. So I'm like, I don't know if I like these very much. Next I got one of these, and what it is I believe you just kind of put your nail file in there, like your e-file, and then whatever you want beside it, but there's also space for your drawer bits. And I believe at the time I bought it, it was $6, and I was like, I have a file that will go perfectly in here, so I ended up getting it. I also like that I have this now because this e-file has been sitting the furthest away from me, so I don't really use it, but now that I have this, it's on my table and I think I'm going to start using it more. I had seen these on Tia Bella's channel and I had to instantly buy it. It's the press-on sticky tabs but with paper on the other side. I don't know about you guys, but I struggle so much taking the plastic off. Sometimes I'll finish my nail set and then I just need to pop them on to show you the finished result, but I'll be sat there for like half an hour trying to get the sticky tabs off. It's a nightmare, so I'm hoping that the paper ones are easier to work with. Next I got this drill bit. So I had seen it on TikTok and in the video they used it to take down length of a nail, but I'm going to use it to pretty much slice through my nail tips to take down the length that way. This is how they were showing it in the video I had seen, and this is the way I plan on doing it. It's just a lot quicker for me that way, but I feel like this way might be a little bit more dangerous because one wrong move and you might be cutting yourself, so I recommend that you do it the first way. I had to get some cuticle pushers because I always lose mine. I think in every Shein haul I've done, I've gotten some because I always lose them. They come in like a 2-pack and the 2 just disappear. I got that 4-pack that had 4 different ends, and this pink one, I realized that I already had some purchase, so I kind of bought it for nothing, but it's a heavy duty one, so I probably might not lose that one. Next I got some of these dental bibs or dental maps. I'm not quite sure what they're actually called, but I decided to get them in different colors because I always have a white background. I don't know if you guys noticed it, but I changed it to black. How I get these to last so long is that I cut them in half, but the thing is, if you are someone that buys this to work on clients, you're going to need the whole thing. I pretty much cut a perfect amount to fit how my camera is zoomed in, if that makes any sense, because around this is my regular white towels that I put down. If you can get away with cutting it, I recommend cutting it because it lasts forever. I got this stirrer to be able to stir some of my gel pots. Sometimes if they sit for a while, there's a little bit of separation. Next, I got these Care Bear press-ons. This was inspired by Conjure Up Nails. I saw them on her channel and I had to get them. And I didn't feel like doing the freehand for this, so I figured I'm just gonna buy it. They are so cute and they're also very vibrant. I got some black rhinestones. I don't own this color and I've been seeing lots of really nice black rhinestone sets and I want to do one. I also got some of these. I don't even know what these are called, but this was like a case in my room. I was seeing those little round pieces everywhere, wondering where they were falling out from. I was inspecting the bag left, right and center. Couldn't see any holes. I was trying to figure it out in that clip there and couldn't figure it out, so I gave up. But after this voiceover, I might just have another crack at it. I got some of these bunny charms. I believe there's 10 in the pack and there's 3 designs. It comes with 2 of those teddy bear ones that we all have, and I kind of wish it was 2 of the other designs, but Either way, it's okay. I got some of these silver bunnies. I've been seeing them on white French tip nails and I think it's just the perfect addition. So I'm pretty much gonna recreate those sets and make them as a press-on set for myself. Next I got these and I was gonna use them for a full set, but I'm going straight to my Christmas sets. I failed this year for full sets. I literally only did one. But now that I'm looking at these, I think that they're butterflies and not leaves. I'm not quite sure, but either way it gives me full vibes. Next I got some of these planet charms because I actually don't own any of these and I think I need more. I've always admired them on nails and I'm actually surprised that I didn't buy them a lot sooner. Looking at these now, I'm just like, I could have did without. I bought them to use for a Halloween set, but never used them, and now they're just looking unusable. Next, I got these dragon charms. These are a little bit big and they're also pretty heavy, but I do really like them. From this part of the video onwards, it's going to be all the Christmas stuff that I found, but I found those tiny angel charms and I thought they were so cute. Next I got these Christmas trees and I think I might already have these. I hope I don't. I also got some of these deer heads and by the face has a little rhinestone. It is a little bit hard to see. I got another pack of deer heads and this one is my favorite. The rhinestone on it shines so nicely. Next, I got two different styles of snowflakes. I don't know what it is, but with snowflake charms, I find them kind of underwhelming. I feel like they don't look as good in person, but I don't know if it's just me. I was really happy to see that they had these angel charms. I had some in my cart on AliExpress and I was debating on whether I should just buy them on Shein or buy them on AliExpress, and I ended up doing both. So long story short, I'm about to have a whole bunch of these charms. They come in a container as well as a bag, but the bag doesn't have the silver ones. Next I got these 2023 charms and I wanted the gold version, but the ones that they did have that were gold didn't seem to have the same finish as the silver one, so I just got the silver one. I got quite a few of the Christmas stickers. Number one, because I didn't have many, I think I had 3, and also the designs that they have are so nice. It was actually hard trying to narrow it down. These New Year stickers are absolutely gorgeous. I am not a fan of gold, I say that all the time, and because of that reason I have a video coming out where I'm going to try a whole bunch of different gold shades. This was inspired by one of my subscribers. Her name is Mir. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Whenever I try to say your name, I can just never say it. I'm really interested to find what shade of gold suits me. Once I do find it, I'll be using those stickers. I'm pretty much just going to show you all the stickers that I got and I'm going to let the music play. And I'll be back to show you the last couple of things that I got. Next I got some foils. So this one had really cool designs. I totally forgot that there was 10 in here. I thought it was way less. I think it was just the way that it was packaged, but I really like the designs on here and I believe this was only $1. I got some more foils. I really liked this one because it had both fun and cartoony designs as well as like some of the traditional looking stuff. This is the last thing in my haul. Let me know what your favorite thing was. If you liked this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.